Landscaping with rock has become an increasingly popular choice for homeowners who want to enhance the beauty and functionality of their outdoor spaces. Rocks can be used to create a variety of landscape features, including pathways, water features, retaining walls, and garden beds. We will explore the benefit of landscaping with rocks and offer some tips for incorporating rocks into your outdoor space. One of the primary benefits of using rocks in your landscaping is their durability. Rocks can withstand harsh weather conditions and are resistant to erosion, making them an excellent choice for retaining walls and erosion control. Additionally, rocks require very little maintenance, making them a low maintenance option for busy homeowners. Another benefit of landscaping with rocks is their versatility. Rocks come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing you to create a unique and personalized outdoor space. Large rocks can be used as focal point or to create dramatic accent, while smaller rocks can be used to fill in spaces or create a natural looking pathway. When incorporating rocks into your landscaping, it is important to consider the overall design of your outdoor space. Choose rocks that complement the existing colors and texture in your yard and create a cohesive look. Consider using a variety of sizes and shapes to add visual interest and dimension to your design. One popular way to use rocks in landscaping is to create a water feature. Rocks can be used to create a natural looking stream or waterfall, or they can be used to line the edge of a pond or pool. Water feature not only add beauty and ambience to your outdoor space, but they also provide a relaxing and calming sound. Rocks can also be used to create garden beds and borders. Use rocks to line the edge of your garden bed or create a raised bed using large rocks. Rocks can also be used to create a rock garden, which is a low maintenance and water efficient option for homeowners who want to add some greenery to their outdoor space. If you are considering incorporating rocks into your landscaping, it is important to hire a professional to help you with the design and installation process. A professional landscaper will be able to assess your outdoor space and help you choose the right rocks and design element to create a beautiful and functional landscape.